We're going to be making crispy edge smash burgers, homemade burger sauce, crispy bacon, caramelised onions, melted blue cheese, and all of this sandwiched in between a brioche bun. Now, I've been trying to say that for so long now, I ended up reading it off my phone, but it's going to be absolutely rich, messy, and absolutely incredible. So let's get cooking. So first off, we're going to be making the burger sauce. So in with mayonnaise to start with. I'm not measuring this out because I don't measure anything. Ketchup, equal parts really. Mustard. Now I'm using English mustard because it's the bloody best. Not too much in the mustard because at the end of the day it's quite strong. And gherkin, finely chopped. Hello, hello. In that goes a little mix up, in with some pickle juice, not a lot, just a little bit, just to loosen it up a bit, some garlic granules and some paprika, and black pepper. Give that a good old mix up together and get it everywhere. Lovely. Ooh. Move that to one side. So now you want to get yourself a nice white onion. Peel it all. Get it all nicely peeled. We only need half. Chop that little bit off. And then finely slice. So now that our onions are all finely sliced, we want to get our pan, nice small pan will do. Get it all nice and hot. Get a little bit of oil in the actual pan, get it nice and hot, and then we're going to add the onions to it, and then we're going to leave that to cook for about 15 minutes. Just another thing on the actual burger sauce that we made, if you leave it for a good few hours, it's actually going to taste even better, but it's actually good to go as it is. So now with the onions, you want to be breaking them all up, try and separate all the little strands, and then we're going to get it onto that hot oil in that pan. So now our pan's nice and hot, we want to get our onions straight in. Give them a little shush around and get them all coated, lovely. And then we're going to let that do its thing. So now that our onions are cooking nicely, we want to get our beef. This is 20% fat and it's best for burgers. So now we're going to separate these into separate balls, ready to smash them. So this is about 500 grams, so we're literally going to quarter them. So just going to get a quarter of it, just like so. And then we're just going to roll it Like so. Bind it together a little bit till you've got a ball. And 500 grams, you should get 4 of these out of that. Perfect. So there you have 4 burgers ready to be smashed. Nearly forgot about our bacon. We've got to get our bacon on there as well, cooking alongside the onions. So I've moved the onions to one side now, and now going to start cooking off this bacon. Leave that in there until it gets nice and crispy. So now it's time to smash some burgers. So I've got a bigger pan now. Popped a little bit of oil in there. We want to get this really hot, ready to smash our burgers. And now for the star of the show, the blue cheese. Danish blue cheese I'm using today. Just bought from the local supermarket where we are. I absolutely love blue cheese. Oh, it smells banging. So good. A lot of people don't like it, but this video is going to change your mind. I'm telling you now. Having this on a smash burger is absolutely insane. It is so good. So I'm going to slice this up and get it ready to put onto our smash burgers. So the onions and the bacon are becoming along lovely. Getting nice and crispy now as well. So what I'm going to do is get the blue cheese out, and I'm actually going to slice so then we can pop it on top of our smash burgers. Now it is a little bit hard to slice because it is a crumbly cheese, but we'll make it work. One more I think should do the job. Oh, do you know what I'm going to do right now? Oh, so good. So good. Right, the bacon and the onions are pretty much done now, so I'm going to leave this to one side. So now that we've got the pan nice and hot, we can get ready to smash our burgers. So the way that I smash my burgers, I use a little bit of parchment paper, try and get it into a sort of a squared shape, ready to put on top of the burger and flatten it down. Just stops it sticking basically. So now our pan, as you can see, it is raging hot, ready to have these burgers smashed. Use the back of a spatula and get them all smashed down. Like so. Pull that off and you've got your first burger ready to go. Get your next one on. The pan's a little bit small for this, but it'll work. Just try not to burn yourself like I just did. So whilst they're cooking, what we want to do now is get our brioche bun and get them nicely toasted on the pan. So these burgers look absolutely ready to be flipped now. Look at them. Absolutely banging. Now we want to get our blue cheese on our burgers. Oh, these are going to be absolutely banging. As much blue cheese as you can get on it. Oh God, I can't wait. Pop something over the top of your burgers just to make sure that all the cheese gets all nice and gooey on top. So whilst they're finished cooking, we want to dress our buns. So straight on with our sauce, plenty of it. Lovely. On both sides. Yum. Try not to burn yourself. On with the onions. Lovely. And then your bacon. Wow. And there you have your blue cheese smash burger. Now it's time to try it. I'm going to cut it open first. That's good. Really good. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what toppings you would have on your burger. Wow. So my son's just walked through the door, smelt that I was cooking the old smash burgers, and what did he say? Make me one. So now I'm cooking him one. I love it.